Hello everyone. In this video we'll walk through the process of migrating schema, flows, settings, roles, and folder configurations from one Directus instance to another. As you can see, we have a fresh Directus instance with nothing configured, and we want to migrate our existing flow settings and folder structure over to this new instance. Let's get started. First, I've already installed the Directus sync extension, which we'll be using for this migration. The goal is to migrate all schema and flow settings from the source to the target. To begin, we'll need to create a configuration file called sync.config.json. In this file, we'll add the necessary details: the URL of the source Directus instance, the email and password, and the path where we'll store the configuration files. Next, we'll run the sync command. Make sure to include the Preserve IDs option. This is important because we want the roles, such as the public role, admin role, and member role, to retain their IDs during the migration. The same applies to our flow settings and folder structure. Now let's execute the command. It will download all configurations and settings from the source Directus into the designated folder. As you can see, the process is complete. In a real-world scenario with a production environment, this step could take longer due to the amount of data and configurations, but for this example, it's relatively quick. Finally, we'll run the command to push these configurations to the target Directus instance. You'll need to provide the target instance's URL, along with the admin's email and password, and again, use the Preserve IDs option. Let's run the command. The migration is now complete. Let's refresh the target Directus instance and verify the migration. We can see all the schemas such as posts and comments, access controls, roles, and folders have been successfully migrated. And that's it. That's how you migrate schema, flows, and other data from one Directus instance to another.